About to take you out tonight, baby. Let's go. Night. This is your night. It's been a long week, you know what you need, a little you and me. Yeah, this is your night. Oh, yeah, we're about to go. We're gonna shake it off and leave it all right out there in the middle of the floor. That's right, come on. Hey, bring it over here, little mama. Yeah, I got whiskey waiting on you. Hey, baby girl, I'm gonna do whatever you wanna all night long. Gonna take you downtown, and we're gonna go all night. Gonna take the room down. Gonna spin you right around. Anything you wanna now, because tonight is my girls' night out. My girls' night out. Ooh, about to let loose. We're gonna bust some room in these dirty boots. Yeah, baby, that's what we're gonna do. That's right, come on. Hey, bring it over here, little mama. Got another whiskey waiting on you. Hey, baby girl, I'm gonna do whatever you wanna. All night long. Gonna take you downtown, and we're gonna go all out. Gonna take the room down. Gonna spin you right around. Anything you want now, because tonight is my girls' night out. My girls' night out. This is your night. Gonna take you downtown, and we're gonna go all out. Gonna take that room down. Whoa, spin you right around. Anything you want now, because tonight is my girls' night out. My girls' night
Let's learn MGNO. It's choreographed by Brandon Zahorsky. It is a 64 count, 2-wall, low intermediate level line dance with 2 restarts, one on wall 3 and one on wall 6. Both restarts happen after 16 counts and facing 12 o'clock. I'm going to turn around and break down each section of the dance using steps and counts. We'll then do one wall with steps and counts, and then we are going to dance all of the restart walls. So we will dance about 7 walls of the dance. So then you know how it happens, so you can rock it on a dance floor near you. Let's turn around and learn MGNO. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a side traveling touch and heel and touch and heel and touch and heel, traveling to the right. So you're going to start touching your right, touch right, step your right to the side, do left heel, step your left slightly across your right and touch your right next to your left. And then we're going to repeat the rest of that. Side heel and touch, side heel, and now we're going to scuff our right foot and step out, out, right, left. Let's try that a little bit quicker. Starting with our right foot, touch and heel and touch and heel and touch and heel and scuff out, out. Let's try it with some counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to do 4 sailor steps starting with the right foot. We're going to go back, out, out, back, out, out, back, out, out, back, out, out. That is the whole section 2. Let's try it with some counts. Sailor steps. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. On walls 3 and 6, that is where your restart will happen, facing 12 o'clock. Section 3, we're going to rock, recover, and do a full turning triple in place. So we're going to come back to 12 o'clock. If you don't like to turn, you can replace that with a rock and a coaster. So we're going to step forward with the right, recover back on your left, and over your right shoulder, we're going to do a full triple in place, going right, left, right. To break it down a little bit, rock right, recover, you want to go quarter, half, half to come back to 12 o'clock. From here, you're going to rock and do a half triple over your left shoulder. So you're going to rock left, recover, do a half shuffle over your left shoulder, shuffling left together, left. And you'll end that section facing 6 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Rock, recover. 1, 2, triple, 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, shuffle 7 and 8. You're ending that section facing 6 o'clock with your weight on your left foot. Our next section, we're going to do 4 sways and 2 half pivots. So we're going to sway our hips right, left, and then we're going to do 2 step half pivot, step right half pivot, step right half pivot. Let's try that part with some counts. Sways with your hips. Sway 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. Our next section, we are going to do a shuffling box. So we're going to shuffle to the right, shuffle right together, right. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, shuffling your left to the left side, left together, left. Now we're going to make another quarter turn over our left shoulder, shuffling our right foot to the right side, right together, right. And then we're going to do one more quarter shuffle to the left over your left shoulder, shuffling left together, left. So you end up making a nice big box. Let's try that with some counts. Shuffling to the right. 1 and 2, turn, 3 and 4, turn, 5 and 6, turn, 7 and 8. Next section, we're going to do 3 heel grinds and a coaster step. One of our heel grinds is going to make a quarter turn. So we're going to do a right heel, grind, step your right next to your left, do a left heel grind, recover, step your left next to your right. Now we're going to do a quarter heel grind, right quarter heel grind, you're back at 12 o'clock, and then do a coaster step, right coaster step. Let's try that with some counts. Heel grind, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next section, we're going to rock and half shuffle, half pivot, shuffle forward. So we're going to rock forward with that left, rock, recover, do a half shuffle over your left shoulder, shuffling left together, left. You're now at 6. You're going to step forward with your right foot and make a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight on your left foot, and then shuffle forward with your right, shuffle step. Let's try that with some counts. Rock, recover. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. To end the dance, you're going to do left and right Dorothy's in a rock half shuffle. So we're going to start with that left foot. You're going to step, lock, step, lock, step, and then you're going to rock with the left, rock, recover, and do a half shuffle over your left shoulder, shuffling left together, left. You'll be facing 6 o'clock and you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that last part with some counts. We just did our shuffle forward. So 2 Dorothy's or wizards, whichever one you call them. Dorothy with the right. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then you'll start all over with your touches and heels. Let's do one whole wall with steps and counts before going around and practicing the full rotation of the dance. Starting with your weight on your left foot, you're touching your right. We're going touch and heel and touch and heel and touch and heel and scuff out, out. Sailor step, sailor step, sailor step, sailor step, rock, recover, full turning triple, rock, half shuffle, sway, right, left, step, half pivot, shuffle right, turn, shuffle left, turn, shuffle right, turn, shuffle left, right heel grind, left heel grind, right heel grind, quarter coaster step, rock, recover, half shuffle, step, half pivot, shuffle forward, left wizard, wizard, and rock, recover, half shuffle. And you're ending with your weight on your left foot, ready to start the dance all over again. Let's try it with some counts. Touching that right toe. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance, and then you're ready to go all the way around. So the restarts, like I said, we are going to do the first 16. So that will be toe and heel and toe and heel and toe and heel and scuff out, sailor, 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 then restart, toe and heel and toe and heel. Both times that we do that facing the 12 o'clock wall, it's going to restart in the same spot. So let's go all the way around. On the front wall, I'm going to do counts, and on the back wall, I'll do steps, and we will practice those restarts so you can go rock it on the dance floor. Let's try it, touching that right toe. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 pivots, 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle right, turn, shuffle left, turn, shuffle right, turn, shuffle left, right heel grind, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and quarter, 5, 6, 7 and 8, rock, 1, 2, half shuffle, 3 and 4, pivot, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, touch and heel, touch and heel and touch and heel and touch and heel and scuff out, sailor, 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 rock, recover, full turning triple, rock, recover, half shuffle, hip sways, sway, sway, 2 half pivots, step, half pivot, shuffle to the right, turn, shuffle left, turn, shuffle right, turn, shuffle left, right heel grind, left heel grind, right heel grind, quarter coaster step, rock, half shuffle, step, half pivot, shuffle forward, Dorothy, Dorothy, and rock, half shuffle, short wall, toe and heel and toe and heel and toe and heel and scuff out, sailor, 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 restart, touch and heel and touch and heel and touch and heel and scuff out, sailor, sailor, rock, recover, full turning triple, rock, recover, half shuffle, hip sways, 2 half pivots, shuffle box, right, turn left, turn right, turn left. Now right heel grind, left heel grind, right heel grind, quarter coaster step, rock, half shuffle, step, half pivot, shuffle forward. Now your Dorothy's, rock, recover, half shuffle. Now your touch, touch and heel and touch and heel and touch and heel and scuff out, sailor, sailor, sailor. Now rock, full turning triple, rock, half shuffle, hip sways, 2 pivots. Now your shuffle box, right, left, right, left, right heel grind, left heel grind, right heel grind, quarter coaster step, rock, half shuffle, step, half pivot, shuffle forward, Dorothy's, rock, half shuffle, Another short wall. Touch and heel and touch and heel and touch and heel and scuff out, out. Sailor, sailor, sailor. Restart. Touch and heel and touch and heel and touch and heel and scuff out, out. Sailor. Rock and full turning triple. Rock, recover, half shuffle. Sways. 2 half pivots. Shuffle, box, shuffle right. Turn, shuffle left. Turn, shuffle right. Turn, shuffle left. Right heel grind. Left heel grind. Right heel grind. Quarter coaster step. Rock, half shuffle. Step, half pivot, shuffle forward. 2 Dorothy's. Left and right. And rock, half shuffle. And that is the whole dance. After that, you can just have a lot of fun doing this dance. I hope this helps you learn MGNO, and I can't wait to dance it with you on a dance floor because it is one of my favorites. So I hope you give it a peek and then let me know if you have any questions.